significant blowing and drifting snow
Thank you so
possible.
much.
Total snow accumulations of up to 2 inches, except up to 4 inches on ridge tops and elevations above passes possible. Winds could gust as high as 50 miles per hour. Where, Mud Lake, Inel, Craters of the Moon Nautical Miles, Idaho Falls, Rexburg, St. Anthony, Pocatello, Blackfoot, American Falls, Shelley, Fort Hall, Ashton, Teutonia, Driggs, Du Bois, Spencer, Edie School, and Small. When, from Tuesday evening through Wednesday afternoon. Impacts, plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation.